Are you a homeowner who would like to earn credit card rewards on their mortgage payments? Well, in this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Mesa card, which can make that possible. Hey everyone, this is Kyle from Finey, your financial resource for a changing world. For credit card reviews, app and tool reviews, travel tips, and more, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for hitting that like button. When I moved from renting an apartment to owning a house, one of my hopes was that the Bilt Mastercard would begin offering points for mortgage payments. And while such a move is in the works, the Mesa Homeowners Card is beating them to the punch, which is why I was excited to get the card for myself. With that, let's take a closer look at the Mesa card, including some pros and cons that the product has in its early days. The first thing to know about the Mesa Homeowners Card is how the rewards on mortgage payment offering actually works. As promised, with the Mesa card, you can earn 1x points on mortgage payments. However, it's important to point out that you won't actually be putting those payments on your credit card. Instead, cardholders will be asked to link the bank account that they use to pay their mortgage. From there, Mesa will see the payment and award points once conditions are met. On that note, in my experience, there wasn't a confirmation that Mesa had indeed identified my payments, but hopefully such a feature will be added soon. As for the requirements mentioned, in order to earn points on your mortgage payments, you'll need to spend at least $1,000 on your Mesa card during a billing cycle. Also, this mortgage point perk is capped at 100,000 points annually. Next, beyond the mortgage payment points, cardholders can also earn reward multipliers in some key categories. With the Mesa Homeowners Card, customers can earn 3x points on home-related spending. This includes purchases at home improvement stores, as well as spending on maintenance and utilities. Specifically, looking at the terms and conditions, purchases with the following Visa merchant codes qualify for this category: home decor, home improvement, general contractors, cable and streaming services, home insurance, property tax, maintenance, and telecom/utilities. Next, the card also earns 2x points at gas stations, as well as at EV charging stations. Grocery store purchases also earn 2x, although the likes of mega stores such as Target, Amazon, and Walmart, or warehouse clubs like Costco and Sam's Club are excluded here. Meanwhile, all other purchases earn 1x. And by the way, these points earned do not require a minimum spend, nor are they capped like the mortgage point benefit. In a unique feature for a no annual fee card, Mesa offers a number of statement credit opportunities for customers. With the Mesa card, customers can take advantage of different branded or generic credit offerings, although they'll need to make sure to enroll in these deals by tapping the button in each feature. Cardholders can earn up to $25 back on purchases at home improvement stores. This was actually the first credit I tapped, as my purchase at Lowe's triggered the credit quite quickly, although Mesa does warn it can take 6 to 8 weeks. Elsewhere, customers can also get a complimentary big box membership for the likes of Costco or Sam's Club. This credit is for up to $65 per year, and as expected, it doesn't seem that my regular Sam's purchase qualified. Instead, I'll need to wait until my membership renews in order to take advantage. Other offers currently featured come from specific brands and services. This includes up to $200 per year in statement credits for purchases on Thumbtack, with cardholders earning up to $25 per job booked. Homeowners with pets might be interested in the up to $10 per month credits for both the Farmer's Dog and WAG. There's also an Armadillo home warranty credit for up to $100 one time, and this seems to be triggered by your first eligible claim deductible, not your premium. Lastly, with it being tax season, Mesa cardholders can apparently save 20% on TurboTax services. Lastly, in lieu of an actual welcome bonus, Mesa also currently features an offer from Cozy Earth. After customers activate their new card, they'll be sent a $100 gift card for the site, although there are some restrictions on how it can be used. Personally, while I do intend on making use of this so-called gift card, we haven't done so just yet. One downside of Mesa is that, depending on how you redeem your points, you may not be getting the value that you'd expect. Lest you assume that earning 1x points on mortgage payments means that you're earning 1% cash back, I have some bad news for you. While it is possible to get nearly 1 cent per point value from your Mesa points, currently the only way to do so is via their travel portal. And I say nearly 1 cent per point as running some tests comparing their platform to Expedia resulted in some slight discrepancies. Moreover, although you can use a mix of cash and points to pay for purchases on this platform, it appears as though at least half of the transaction will need to be covered by points to do so. As for the other options, Mesa offers a selection of gift cards, most of which value Mesa points at around 0.7 cents each. This means that you'll need 14,290 points to purchase a $100 gift card for Amazon, Adidas, Walmart, Best Buy, or many others. There's also an option to use points for a statement credit, but this is the worst deal yet, as you'll get just half a cent per point, so $50 for 10,000 points. A recent update in the Mesa app now also teases point transfers, although details aren't available as I'm recording this. Hopefully this could be a more lucrative option for members, but as of now, the travel portal is the only option I'd even consider recommending. Finally, I want to highlight a few ways in which the Mesa card differs from its renter's equivalent, the Bilt Mastercard. Setting aside the fact that Bilt doesn't currently allow for mortgage payments, the biggest difference between the Mesa card and Bilt card is that, with the latter, they've arranged a way to pay your rent with the card and put that cost on your statement. In contrast, Mesa simply acknowledges your payment and gives you the opportunity to earn points on it. Another difference is how points can be redeemed. As mentioned, the best value for Mesa points is the travel portal that values points at nearly 1 cent each, whereas Bilt's travel portal assesses points at 1.25 cents each. Also, Bilt has a number of transfer partners, whereas Mesa currently doesn't, even if that's something they're apparently working on. Of course, one area where Mesa shines above Bilt is in regards to its statement credit offerings. Although Bilt might be introducing their own credits in the future, those would likely only be offered on an annual fee card. I'll also note that, while Bilt requires cardholders to make 5 purchases per statement in order to earn any points, Mesa requires $1,000 in spending to earn points for mortgage payments only. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if Bilt adopted this model instead, as it looks to shake up its card offering. With that, I am a bit taken aback at how different these two seemingly similar products currently are, but I am looking forward to seeing what these competitors might pull from each other going forward. Overall, while the mortgage payment points might be what attract customers to the Mesa card in the first place, in its current form, the value of the card doesn't actually come from the rewards, but from the credits. When I saw that the Mesa Homeowners Card was a no annual fee option that would apparently boast statement credit offers, I was definitely skeptical. However, now that I've been able to get my hands on the card and explore, I can see where the trade-offs were made, namely in poor point redemption rates, and the $1,000 spending requirement for mortgage points. That said though, the credits Mesa does offer can be pretty decent. Specifically, I anticipate being able to use the quarterly home improvement credit easily and will eventually make use of the big box membership. Also, seeing as we do have a dog, we may be able to tap the $10 a month WAG credit a couple of times. So would I recommend the Mesa Homeowners Card overall? Personally, at this point, I'd probably say it's worth waiting to see what Bilt does with its mortgage payment offering and choosing one or the other. But if you want to make the Mesa card work for you right now, I'd say that you want to make sure that you can redeem your points for travel, make the most of the 3X categories to help fill out your $1,000 in spending to get your mortgage points, and of course redeem those credits as naturally as you can. If you do all of that, you'll likely come out ahead, but those who don't want to put in that much work might find that the Mesa card's gimmick isn't worth the effort. Hopefully this gives you a better idea of what the Mesa Homeowners Card is all about, but for more on the topic, I'll have a link to my full written review in the description box down below or right up here on screen. Also, whether you're a homeowner or you've actually tried the Mesa card for yourself, I'd love to know your thoughts, so be sure to let me know in the comments down below. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time here on Finey.